Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So quickly in this video, I want to show you how you can withdraw your funds, okay, from Bybit into your personal bank account, okay. The video is going to be a step-by-step on how to do this. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of this process, okay. Trust me, after watching this video, you should be able to send or transfer your fund from Bybit directly into your bank account without the assistance of anyone. Okay, let's get into the video proper and get started. Let's go.
Okay, so guys, like I rightly said in the intro of the video, so here we're going to be sending our fund from our Bybit accounts to our personal bank accounts. Okay, so here you can see this is what we're going to be using for the tutorial. Here you can see I have 42 USDT here, and so we're going to click on this button here, okay, that says more. Now before you go ahead, if you don't have a Bybit account, I'm going to be dropping the link to Bybit in the description of the video. The first link in the description of the video, you should be able to sign up and then follow up with this tutorial. Okay, so you see this button here that says more. Just click on this button here. When you click on this button here, it's going to bring you here. Then you're going to look for this button that says P2P trading. Okay, you can see P2P trading here. Just click on this button, P2P trading. So we're going to be using P2P, okay, which is called pair to pair. Okay, so we're going to be looking for somebody that we're going to be selling our USDT to. Okay, remember I have USDT in my account. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for somebody that I'm going to be selling my USDT to, and the person is going to send the money into my bank account. Okay, so if you check this interface here you can see NGN. This NGN means Nigerian currency, but if you are watching this video and you are not from Nigeria, just click on this button. Automatically it's going to show here. Okay, your currency is going to show, so you can see different currency of different countries here. Okay, different currency of different countries here. So make sure your currency is showing here for you to be able to see people that are buying and selling. You can see buy, you can see sell. Now these are people that are willing to buy, that you if you want to buy USDT, you can buy from them here. Okay, but because of we want to sell our USDT, we're going to click on this button here that says sell here. Okay, so when it comes to this place now, one thing that is very critical for you to know is that you need to put in your bank account into your Bybit account, so that the person will be able to pay the money into your bank account. Okay, now for you to be able to add your bank account, you can come up here, see these three dot amber buttons here. Just click on it. Okay, then you see where it says user center here. Click on this user center, then it's going to bring you here. You see where it says payment method. For me, I have 4 bank accounts added already, but for you, if you are starting out for the first time, you might not have. So just click on this payment method here. Okay, when you click on this payment method, you should be able to scroll down here. Okay, you can see me, I have my bank account here already. Okay, then you just click on this add payment method here. You just click on it. Here you should be able to put in your name, is going to show you automatically. So here you're going to put in your account number, okay, your bank account number. The branch, you're going to put it here, but it's not really necessary. The two major things that are necessary here is your bank account number and your bank name. Okay, put in your bank name, the name of your bank and your bank account. Okay, and make sure that you are using your own personal bank account. Okay, don't use another person's bank account. If not, the process might not go well for you. Okay, so after you must have done that, then for whoever you're going to be selling your crypto to, okay, there are two major things, which is the percentage of, you can see like a percentage like this. Okay, you're going to be looking at the rating of the person. If this person is rated 93% is good, you can see 97% is good. Okay, but for me, I like to see that the person is above 95%. Okay, like this 96% is okay. Then the other thing I like to look at is the order number. Okay, how many orders has this person performed? Okay, I like to see that you've performed more than 1,000 orders. Okay, because that gives me the belief that, okay, you've been long on this website, you've been long on Bybit, and you've been doing business and there's no issue with you. So remember, I say I'm going to be looking at the percentage here. Like this one is very good. You see, he or she has 99% rating and also has performed more than 1,000 orders here. Okay, So remember we have 42 USDT. So quickly, let me search for somebody that I'm going to be selling my USDT to. So I want to click here just to make it faster. Okay, I want to put 50,000 because I want to believe the USDT is going to be able to get up to 50,000 naira. So I'm going to put in here 50 here. The major reason of putting this is not really necessary, but the major reason of doing that is for me to be able to filter through those that are going to be selling within my limit. Okay, so you can see for this particular person, the limit is from 50,000 naira to 1.5 million. This person is ready to deal, to trade. Okay, okay, so you can see is above, the rating is 96%, and he has done more than 1,000 orders here. Okay, then let me show you one other thing that I normally pay attention to. Let me click on this person. Okay, I want to be sure that the person is online, because I don't like trading with somebody that is not online. So you have to come down here, you check, you can see he's online, he or she is online. If the person is not online, for me personally, I wouldn't want to trade with the person. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here now is to put in the amount of USDT that I want to trade with the person here. Okay, so you can decide to put in if you want to do 40, okay, if you want to do 20, 10, or whichever amount you want to do. But for me, I want to trade everything, so I'm going to click on all. Okay, so let me click on all. So I want to trade this amount of USDT. Then I'm going to click here and choose the bank account that I want this person to pay the money into. Okay, you know, remember I showed you earlier how to add your bank account. Okay, after you must have added your bank account, then you now have this option here to choose your bank account. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the bank account I want the person to pay into. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, then I'm going to click on sell. Okay, so I'm going to click on sell now. Okay, so you can see the person is expected to pay in this amount, 71,000 naira, into my bank account. Okay, remember I'm selling this quantity of USDT, 42 USDT, to this person. Okay, so if you want to chat with the person, you can as well just go ahead and click on this contact button here. Click on contact button. Then here, some of them might just put in their rules, okay, some informations for you. But for me, I'm just going to send the person a message and say I'm active, so that he or she will know that I'm online to release the crypto to the person. Okay, so how this thing actually works is this: as soon as this person pays the money into your bank account, okay, as soon as the money drops in your bank account, you are expected, okay, to release the crypto to the person. I'm going to be showing you that process. That is why I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you don't lose out on anything. Okay, so you can see this person said he or she has paid already. Okay, he has clicked that he or she has paid, right? So you can see pending coin release. So he's waiting for me to release the crypto to him now. Okay, so let's see. Remember, is expected to pay me 71,098. Okay, so you can see he has credited my account already. Okay, but I'm still going to go to my app to confirm that he or she has paid. So you can see he's saying he or she has paid already. Okay, so let's go to my bank account. Let me find out if truly he or she has paid. Okay, so I just logged into my bank account, and let me go to transaction. You can see transaction history here. Okay, so you can see truly the person Jeffrey, the name is Jeffrey. You can see he has paid the money into my bank account. Okay, so after confirming, make sure you go to your bank account to confirm that the money is in your bank account. After you must have confirmed, then you can now go back to the app. Okay, then you're expected to release the crypto to the person. Okay, but if you don't, if you have not received the payment and the person said he or she has paid, you can just go back to the message here, contact here, and chat the person that, oh, you've not seen the payment. It could be network. Then you hold on. Then intermittently you go check until you are sure that you've received the payment. Okay, it's only when you are sure that you've received the payment to your bank account, you can now come down here and click on release now. Okay, you'll see this button here that says release now. Then you're going to click on it, so that you'll be able to release the crypto to the person, because he or she has paid you. So I'm going to click on it now. I'm going to confirm yes that I've received the payment. Okay, then I'm expected to put in my Google Authenticator code to show to tell Bybit that yes, I've received the money, that they can release the crypto to the person, because automatically my crypto is locked with Bybit. Okay, it's only when I give them the order to release the crypto to the person that they are going to release the crypto. Okay, so quickly let me get 149166. Okay, let me put in my code 149166. Okay, so you can see completed. You can see completed. So the transaction is completed already. I've gotten my payment and the guy has also gotten the crypto. So that is how simple and easy it is for you to be able to get your fund in your bank account, okay, to get your fund transferred directly from Bybit into your bank account, okay. I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value, please remember to like this video, okay, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that before now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.